This 5 minutes you are going to be with me to learn the ninth table from 1 to 100 with the help of just your fingers. And you will be able to find answer to the question of any ninth table within a second. I am going to divide this section into 4 parts. First one is a single digit number multiplied with 9. For example, 7 nines are. The second one is 2-digit number multiplied with 9. In the 2-digit number, I am dividing into 3 parts. First one is first number must be small, the second number must be bigger. If, for example, 27 nines are. Third part must be both numbers are same. For example, 77 nines are. Last one is 2-digit number if first number is bigger and the second number is smaller. For example, 73 nines are. Since we divided into 4 parts, these all the numbers of 1 to 100 is included. Let us move on. Now we are going to see single digit number multiplied with 9. For example, 9 threes are. See, God has blessed us with 10 fingers. So we are going to see 9 threes are. I am just folding the third finger. Okay, how many fingers are standing before the third finger? 2. How many fingers are standing after the third finger? 7. So answer to the question of 7 threes are 27. Let us do another example. Okay, now we are going to see 7 nines are. Just I am folding the 7th finger. And how many fingers are standing in front of the 7th finger? 6. How many fingers are standing after the 7th finger? 3. So 7 threes are 63. You all may be knowing this. But the second part of 2-digit number, this is the first time you are going to see. So be carefully observe. Now let us move on to the second part. That is 9 multiplied with the 2-digit number. Particularly in the 2-digit number, the first number must be a small and the second number must be the big. For example, 27 nines are. We are going to see 27 nines are. No, because first number is small, second number must be big. Okay, now observe well. I am folding my fingers. 27. So God has given us 10 fingers. Just see. First I have folded 2 fingers. 1, 2. It represents 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th finger also I folded. Now I have folded 27. So how many fingers I have folded in the first place? 2. Second place, how many fingers are standing there? Before 7th finger? 4. And after 7th finger, there are 3. So answer for the question of 27 nines are is 243. Let us see another number. 49 nines are. Make sure that the first number must be small and the second number must be big. So I have folded 4 fingers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 I have folded. No, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9th finger also I folded it. And it represents 49. So how many fingers I folded in the beginning? 4. And how many fingers are standing before 9th finger? 4. And how many fingers are standing after 9th finger? 1. So 49 nines are 441. That's all. Do you understand? If you don't understand, no problem. Just pause it, go back and watch again. You will get the point. Now we are moving to third part of our section, that is both numbers are same. For example, 77 nines are. Now I am not going to use fingers, rather just in paper, it will be easy. So 77, in the 77 the unit digit is 7. So we are just subtracting the 7 from 10. So in 10 minus 7 is 3. So the unit digit is 3. And in 77, 10th digit is 7. No. So just previous letter of 7 is 6. So we are going to display that 6 in 100 place. Now in between 6 and 3 we are going to display 9. If any number, no problem, we are going to display 9. So now 77 nines are 693. Did you understand? No problem. Let us see another example. Now 33 nines are. See, both numbers are same. So the unit digit is 10. So we are subtracting 10 minus 3. We get 7. So unit digit is 7. And the 100th place is 3. So previous letter of 3 is 2. So we are going to put in the 100th place. And between 2 and 7 we are going to display 9. So 33 nines are 297. This is the answer. Did you understand? If you don't understand, just pause it and go back and see it again. You will understand. Okay, now we are moving to the last part of our section, that is 2-digit number. The first number must be the big and the second number must be the small. So make sure that first number must be big and second number must be small. 73 nines are. Now the unit digit is 3. So we are subtracting 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, first unit digit we are putting 7, and the previous letter of 7 is 6. So 6. What is the number that we are going to display in the between the 6 and 7 is, observe well, we are given the number 73, no? So we are going to subtract these two numbers. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. We got the 4, no? That number we are going to subtract from the 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So in between 6 and 7 we are going to display this 5 number. So now 73 nines are 657. Do you understand? No problem. Let us see another example. For example, 84 nines are. Now the unit digit of 84 is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. And 10th place is 8. So previous letter of 8 is 7. Now we are going to see the middle part. Observe well. So 8 minus 4, because we are given 84, no? We got 4. And we are going to subtract that 4 from the 9. So we got 5. So now answer to the question of 84 nines are 756. If you understand the concept, you will be knowing the tables of ninth table from 1 to 100. If you don't understand, no problem, and watch it again and again. When practice it, you will get it out. If you like this video, like it, comment it and share it with your friends so that others may learn it out. Thank you.